Recently, a project manager approached me with a task, and that was essentially to recreate the toggling feature that we see inside of ArcMap inside of the PDF environment, such that he could open up a layered PDF and toggle not only toggle the samples on and off, but also have the annotation layers and the corresponding legend toggle on and off with it. When you create a layered PDF inside the ArcMap environment, the annotation shows up as a separate layer from the actual points themselves, so that you can see that, for instance, in the case of benzene, we have the benzene points and the benzene annotation, and this behavior is consistent for all of the layers in the figure. So the first thing that you have to do is just go ahead and create your create your master document, less the legend for the points, and that produces this figure right here that I just previously showed you. After that, the next thing that needs to be done is to really capture the legends individually, and the way I did that was really just use the snipping tool to go and clip this and then save it. You can see that I've done it already for each analyte. Okay, so then the next task becomes doing this inside of the ArcMap, inside the PDF environment. So let's go ahead and start with the benzene example. The first thing that I need to do here is I need to go and import my legend as a layer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the benzene legend, and I'm going to load it in here. And you can see that it loads right here. And what I actually want to do here is I want to go ahead and add it to an existing layer, and I want to add it to the benzene point file, that is the actual geometries of the feature here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to edit this PDF, and I'm going to go ahead and position this thing where I want it. And this is probably the trickiest part of this, is using the tools inside of Adobe PDF to actually get this thing positioned where you want. And again, it's a little tricky in that you sometimes end up actually grabbing the background image itself, but once it's in there, okay, it's in place. It's now part of the benzene points. You can see when I click the benzene layer, that legend toggles on and off with it. I'm gonna go ahead and quit editing now, because really the last step to this is to merge the layers. And the layer that I want to merge the benzene annotation to the benzene geometry layer, which again contains the corresponding legend for that. This is a permanent operation, so we're going to go ahead and click yes. And you can see now that when we click this, everything toggles on and off accordingly. You then just simply repeat this for every other item in the series that you want on this map, and that's really all there is to it. Thanks.